The Renaissance was a cultural, artistic, political, and economic rebirth following the Middle Ages, traditionally dated from the 14th to the 17th century. It began in Italy and spread across Europe. Here are some key details about the Renaissance. Origin and spread. Beginnings. The Renaissance started in Florence, Italy, due to its rich trade networks and wealthy patrons, notably the Medici family. Spread. It gradually spread to other parts of Italy and Europe, influencing countries such as France, England, Germany, and the Netherlands. Art and architecture. Art, the Renaissance marked a departure from the religiously focused Gothic art of the Middle Ages. Artists emphasized realism, perspective, and human emotion. Key figures include Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Raphael, and Botticelli. Architecture. Renaissance architecture revived classical Greek and Roman styles, characterized by symmetry, proportion, and geometry. Notable architects include Filippo Brunelleschi and Leon Battista Alberti. More in Part 2.